If you want more structured Afrikaans lessons for foundation phase and beyond, including worksheets, activities, and extra practice, you can check out my online courses on PayHip. The link is in the show notes. You can learn even faster and have fun practicing at home. Today, we are going to learn and remember 10 colors in Afrikaans in our special order. Are you ready? Let's go. Repeat after me. Rooi, rooi, rooi. Red, blauw, blauw, blauw. Blue, groen, groen, groen. Green, geel, geel, geel. Yellow, pink, 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 pink. Oranje, oranje, oranje. Orange, pers, pers, pers. Purple, wit, wit, wit. White, bruin, bruin, bruin. Brown, swart, swart, swart. Black. Now let's say them all together. Rooi, blauw, groen, geel, pink, oranje, pers, wit, bruin, swart. Rooi, blauw, groen, geel, pink, oranje, pers, wit, bruin, swart. Rooi, blauw, groen, geel, pink, oranje, pers, wit, bruin, swart. Now we say them faster. Keep up with me. Rooi, blauw, groen, geel, pink, oranje, pers, wit, bruin, swart. Again. Rooi, blauw, groen, geel, pink, oranje, pers, wit, bruin, swart. One more time. Rooi, blauw, groen, geel, pink, oranje, pers, wit, bruin, swart. Now I'll say the English color and you shout the Afrikaans word. Ready? Red, rooi. That's right. Blue, blow. Green, groen. Yellow, geel. Pink, pink. Orange, oranje. Purple, pers. White, wit. Brown, bruin. Black, swart. Now backwards. English to Afrikaans. Black, swart. That's right. Brown, bruin. White, wit. Purple, pers. Orange, oranje. Pink, pink. Yellow, geel. Green, groen. Blue, blauw. Red, rooi. Now I'll mix them up. Listen carefully and shout the Afrikaans word. The sun, geel. The sky, blauw. Grass, groen. A rose, rooi. Flowers, pink. Carrot, oranje. Grape, pers. Snow, wit. Chocolate, bruin. A crow, swart. Say them all together with me. Rooi, blauw, groen, geel, pink, oranje, pers, wit, bruin, swart. Last drill. Let's say all 10 colors super fast. Rooi, blauw, groen, geel, pink, oranje, pers, wit, bruin, swart. Again. Rooi, blauw, groen, geel, pink, oranje, pers, wit, bruin, swart. One last time. Rooi, blauw, groen, geel, pink, oranje, pers, wit, bruin, swart. Fantastic! You are now masters of 10 colors in Afrikaans. Keep practicing every day. If you want even more games and lessons in Afrikaans, my courses on PayHip have lots of fun activities for foundation phase kids. Check out the link in the show notes.